Guys, I am super excited. I just got my 1,000 subscribers. Yes. And do you know the most amazing part is I got them within 24 hours. Yes, 24 hours. It's not some sort of a clickbait or something. No, it's not. That is particular screenshot. It was made on 18th of March. Yes, look at this one. It's on the 19th. Can you see the difference? Yeah, on the 18th, I was on 43 subscribers, and on the 19th I'm already on 1,000 subscribers. So no, it's not some sort of a clickbait. You see, this particular method I'm about to show you, if you try this method, follow all the steps, and there's no significant changes on your channel, come back here and tell me that my method did not work. If it does work, I want you to come back here to tell me that yes, my method actually worked. So all my amazing subscribers, I am so grateful. I do not take your love for granted. Thank you. I am so grateful. So today I'll be sharing with you how I got my 1,000 subscribers in less than 24 hours. I'll be showing step by step how I did it. So do not miss any part of this particular video, because that might save you. Because not only will I show you what I did to get that in 24 hours, I will also show you the right way. The right way to do it. Yes, because there are wrong way to doing things and there are right way to doing things. To get your result, you have to do it the right way. Because I've seen a lot of people use same method but talk about less than 1,000 subscribers, and I keep wondering what really happened, what went wrong. So the thing is, they are doing it but not doing the right. As you can see, I only got this by posting 5 shots. Yes, as you can see from the screenshot, I scheduled those shots just for a day. I started from 12 p.m. posted 4. I posted 5 times. Yes, just in a day. And the following day, I came back to the channel. I already saw 1,000 subscribers. I was so amazed. Yes, I was so amazed. Number one, the first thing you have to do is, because I always tell my people, make ChatGPT your friend, because I know it doesn't have answers to everything, but at least it will guide you, to give you a guide to what you want to do. So the first thing you have to do here is head over to ChatGPT. Either you're in the UK, you're in the US, you're in Canada, you're in Nigeria, you're in Africa, generally anywhere you are in the world, this particular method works perfectly for you. So the first thing you do is head over to ChatGPT and give it this particular prompt. Tell it what you want to do. I want to use this collaboration on and tell you to suggest channels that are already doing well. Yes, already doing well that you can collab with. Yes, I love channels that deals with like Roblox, Minecraft. Those are channels that are interesting, that people will want to really engage on. So just tell it what you want. And most times you can never go wrong with AI. So it will give you channels that are already doing well, that have lots and lots of views. And if you know anyone yourself that you can make use of, you might not really necessarily make use of this route. So you just go head over to YouTube and just search for the ones you know already. So as you can see, it gives us a lot and lot of channel we can make use of. Yes. So just select one. I prefer Roblox and Minecraft videos a lot. One of the best, like I said earlier, because it gives lots and lots of views and subscribers a lot. So from this, so as you can see, give us top Roblox Shorts channel to use. Yes, it gave us response. So just pick one you want to make use of, then head over to YouTube. That's where the main work starts. So we are picking this lanky box. So let's head over to our YouTube, then click on the search bar and search for lanky box. Like I said earlier, if you already have the channel name you want to make use of, you might not necessarily follow this particular route. Like there are lots of channels you might know. I know of it's very short, Prosperity X, lots and lots of channel like that. But since ChatGPT already give us channel with very high engagement rates and high subscribers, let's just go for that. So go on and search for lanky box. So after getting, as you can see, they have 42 million subscribers. Yes, so you click on view channel. Yes, to know what the channel entails. Then you click on shorts. You click on short. As you can see, under their latest videos, they have 85k views, 173k views, 146k views. But that's not what we want. We want the video, we want shorts that already pulled millions of views. So we click on this popular. Yes, we want shorts that already has millions of views. Click on popular. So as you can see, 267 million views, 177 million views, 176 million views, 166. It put 100 million views in almost everything under popular. So all you have to do is start from the one that has the highest views. Let's start from this one that has 267 million views. You click on it. After clicking on it to bring to this particular interface, then you click on this arrow, this collab feature down here. Yeah, you click on it. You bring you here. Then you click on collab. You click on collab. Then you click on the timeline. Then you extend it. Extend it till it gets to 29 seconds. So once you're done, you click on next. They allow you to process. Then you click on next. Then it will bring you here. Yes. So now you start recording. You start reacting to the video. So once it's done, it will bring you to this particular place. Now here you have the text and all of that. So you can decide to add a text if you want to, but if you don't, just click on next. Now this is where the job starts from. You click on the title. Make sure that the title on the video you are collabing with, it's the same title you are inputting here. Yes, for that particular video, it says who is smarter. Who is smarter? Same title, same description, same hashtags. You can as well add your own hashtags to it if you want to. So this one says, the title says who is smarter. Then hashtag shorts. You can as well add hashtag YouTube shorts. And make sure to also add this hashtag duet, because so YouTube will know that you are actually duetting a video. Yes. So once you're done, you click on visibility. So you can either put your video on private, unlisted, or public. Yeah. Or you can schedule your post as well. But for the focus of this, let's put some private. Yes. You can put yours in public, unlisted, or private. So once you're done, you click on audience. This video is set to not made for kids yet. If the video is actually made for kids, you can select yes, it's made for kids. But if it's not, select no, it's not made for kids. Why I advise you to select no, it's not made for kids most times is because if you select it's made for kids, YouTube will restrict your video to a particular age range, and I know you don't want that for your page. The next thing is to click on description. Yeah, the same description that was used on the video, just copy and paste the description here, and same hashtag as well. So once you are done, it's time for you to select video. Click on location. Yes, then it bring you here, and then you select your location. If you're in Nigeria, select. If you're in the UK, select. If you're in the US, select. Just select the location you want your audience, you prefer your audience to be from. Let's just select United Kingdom for this particular one. Now click on upload shorts, and now it will load up. If you want this particular method to work for you, you need to post at least 5 to 10 of these shorts every day to see significant difference. Yes, at least 5 to 10 shots. As you can see, I only posted 5 of these shots, just 5 in a day. And the more you continue with the shots, the more your subscribers keep growing. I use this particular method that are already on 100k. But I wouldn't advise you to continue. If you've gotten your 1,000 subscribers, 2,000 subscribers, the best thing for you to do is to just stop. If not, if you don't stop, it will keep bringing in subscribers to you, and the subscribers might not be interested in your particular niche. So it's better when once you've gotten your 1,000 subscribers, once you've gotten your 2,000 subscribers maximum, 3,000, you have to stop. Yes, you have to stop, or you not to hurt your channel. And if you find this particular video helpful to you and you want to keep seeing more of this, I implore you to click on that subscribe button and subscribe now, and turn on your notifications so whenever I drop new videos, you'll be the first to be notified. And if you have any question regarding this, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'll be there to answer all your questions. Yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.